Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to utilize the dispersion fault effect. Let me try that again. The dispersion fault effect. All right, it's a pro effect. You're going to need CapCut Pro to be able to use this effect, or rather you need it to be able to even export it, right? So, you know, gotta pay that $7.99, a month to get this effect. So we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Glitch category, and then find the dispersion fault effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to scroll through it, bring it to the beginning of the clip, bring it to the end of the clip, and now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color and the speed and also add keyframes to it. All right, so let's check it out. Okay, so instead of it being utilized throughout the whole, like see how I fit it to the entirety of the clip, it only kind of is an effect that's for the beginning, right? So we're just going to cut this part, boom, bam, and now it's more like a transition effect. So let's check it out again. Boom. That's pretty fire. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. Appreciate you guys for watching and have a great day.